Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, it's a nice morning. It's not raining or anything, and it's not too cold. This is my van. I'm redoing the whole back. I changed this top guy, the pirate guy. I'm putting a skull with some appendages coming off his head, but you should check out my other channel, Dark Ride Nightmare on Wheels. It's a theme I'm going with, more horror themed. If you haven't seen the channel yet, you might check it out. But yeah, I'm just getting packed up, ready to head out, and I'm going to Portland Pastimes. I think he wants to keep the Godzilla I painted on the window, so I'm just going to change it up and make it not Christmassy and take the snowman off. Anyway, I got a few more things to get, and I'll see you in a few. Hey, hi there. That's funny. So we're going to keep him and take his...
I don't know, maybe we can take his hat off.
Yeah, we can take the hat off and I can take all this off.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think the snowman, I don't know, I even like the snowman is fine still, I think. Or I don't know, what do you think? I guess
yeah, just take off Help Santa Help.
Yeah.
Because it's still wintry. You could leave this, just take that off and leave this. And leave some of the snowflakes.
Yeah. And
then just leave the rest blank if you want, or
I mean, we could do.
I could add more snow along the bottom, or
yeah,
you know.
It's always nice. People love it, so I enjoy putting new stuff up as much as possible.
Yeah,
if it's feasible. And I don't remember.
Yeah, I can just make it more of a winter theme.
Okay. Yeah, I'm easy with that.
Yeah. Okay, talk to Dave, and we're gonna take all the references to Christmas off, and we're gonna keep him. Maybe put a beanie on his head or something on Godzilla. Make him more of a winterzilla. And then he's gonna keep the snowman too. Just take off Help Santa Help, and put a snowboard in his hand or in his arm instead of a candy cane. Like he's gonna go snowboarding. We can talk about the ruby slippers. Are those the ruby slippers?
No, that's awesome.
They are pretty awesome.
Thank you.
So what do you think of the window so far?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, she's doing poses. Now I gotta paint the hand. Oh, she's fine. Oh, that's all right. Oh, I need to paint this thing.
What sword do you guys have? Is that cool? Can I go with you? Yeah? Alright, good. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. I'll see you in a few minutes, Scott.
All right, see ya.
Cool. Ramona's gonna watch.
All right. All right, I am all done. Came out pretty good. And this will last through the rest of winter. I'll be back in March or April and change this up. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. And we'll see you next time.